then at the
every detail, so you can simply taste why it matters. The all-new Velvetizer by Hope. This
is Capital Extra
News.
From Global's newsroom at 6. Tens of thousands of Palestinians. Those at the Met will walk out over pay, but that doesn't include police officers. And it's global. Four stations, including Capital Extra, Capital, and Radio X, are coming together to raise money. Partner Charlotte lost their baby shortly after he was. He got bereavement counselling.
Film it quick, film it. What's he trying to do? Trying to get off? He's trying to get off. He's getting on, he's got off. Oh my god. Oh, pressing someone else?
No.
Oh, get that on camera. No way. No. Is it in a white? Is it a white van? Yeah, he just crashed into two people. A white van, isn't it?
Yeah, man, he just got into another one.
Yeah, he crashed.
I think someone's hurt, bro.
Yo, he's fucked.
Oh my god.
Get in this, yeah. Get in this. He's fucked up. Oh, he's just crashed into three people. I've got it fully on video.
Video?
Everything.
Please wait,
Is that your car? Yeah. Mate, where is the geezer? Is he fucked off?
He ran away.
Yeah, he must. Yeah.
I'm gonna call the police.
Yeah, I've got it on. I got it all on video for you, mate.
Yes, yes. Yeah, no, he told me he ran away. I don't know. That way?
Yeah, he crashed into three cars.
3 cars?
Yes, I swear to it. That one there, look up there.
Oh.
And he crashed into, we got it completely. What happened, man? Oh, he's fucked up, he is.
Yeah.
Oh, he's fucked.
Girl, look.
what?
So long gone.
Stretching payments with Klarna. That's smooth.
Now, later.
sight then. Go on then. Fuck off in your little shit car. Yeah, your mum said. She just went over the crossing as well. Fucking